Does your current trading software truly understand your needs? Do you find yourself wrestling with complex interfaces, outdated features, and limited data? Enter the new era of trading with the ultimate software solution that's been crafted to perfection. A software that's not just a tool, but a loyal companion in your stock trading journey. This revolutionary trading software is equipped with everything you've been pining for. Tick data? Check. An abundance of candlesticks? Check. TNS, PineScript, XAML, Indian exchange data, Indian broker, and access to exchanges from all over the world? Check, check, and check. But wait, there's more. This software is also a strategy maker, offering option analysis, volume profile, and footprint. The easy-to-navigate interface allows you to seamlessly sift through hundreds of indicators and place orders directly on the chart. This isn't a dream. This is the reality of trading software that delivers what others, even those worth millions of rupees, simply can't. Imagine a world where your trading software is lightning fast, fetches data like a pro, and is free from bugs. A world where there's no need for coding, no fancy styles, just pure trading power. Use your existing broker, implement your strategies, and receive alerts tailor-made for you. Everything you've ever imagined in a high-value software is now a reality. Your search ends here. Your trading revolution begins now. Stay tuned for an announcement on how to get your hands on this game-changing software. Remember, it's your money, and no one will take care of it better than you. So why settle when you can have the best? Embrace the power to excel in the stock market. Uncover new opportunities. Elevate your trading strategies. Transform your trading experience today.